Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed altitude and median of a triangle. Today we are going to study the new topic, that is exterior angle of a triangle. In the name only, exterior angle of a triangle means the angle is of outside of a triangle. So what is that property? So first, how to learn that one? So first see here. So this is one triangle A, B, C. Okay. So this is A, B, C. And so now just extend this BC to D. Up to D. BC to D. Can we say this angle is an exterior angle? Can we say that? Yes. So this is an exterior angle. Which angle? ACD is an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. Okay. Next. So this is triangle and this is exterior angle. So just draw the line that is parallel to AB from point C. So from point C, draw the line that must be parallel to AB. That must be parallel to AB. So here we have taken. So take it as a E. So CE is parallel to AB. What is that? Here AB is parallel to CE. This is the condition. Okay. Now, so give the name. So this one angle 1, 2. This is 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now see here 1 and 4. So what are these angles? So these are two lines, two parallel lines, AB and CE. So this is transversal. So this is A, B, this one C and E. So these two are parallel lines and AC is a transversal. And what are these two angles? What are these two angles? Can we say these two angles are alternate interior angles? Interior angles first, and they are alternate because of different vertices. Here also 1 and 4. So here 1 and 4 are, what are these angles? Alternate interior angles. So here 1 equals to 4 by alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Next 2 and 5. So what is that? 2 and 5. So see here. So this is two lines, two parallel lines, and this one is. Let us consider this line. So these two are parallel lines. So A, B, C, E. I am asking this and this. 2 and 5. Only 5. 2 and 5. What are these two angles? Can we say these two angles are corresponding angles? Yes. So these two are corresponding angles. What are that? 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are 2 equals to 5. Why? Because corresponding angles. So corresponding angles. That means 1 equals to 4, 2 equals to 5. So 1 plus 2 equals to, can we say 4 plus 5? Why? Because 1 equals to 4, 2 equals to 5. So that means 1 plus 2 equals to 4 plus 5. So what is this 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5. This is exterior angle. Total angle is ACD as a 4 plus 5. What is that? Here angle ACD. ACD equals to 4 plus 5. So this is the sum of these two angles. Exterior angle is the sum of these two angles. And so here 4 plus 5. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So by using equation 1, 4 plus 5 equals to 1 plus 2 more. So 1 plus 2. So angle ACD equals to 1 plus 2. That is exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. So these two are opposite angle to the exterior angle. What is that figure? So see here if this is a triangle, so this is exterior angle means these two are interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles, these two angles. So property of exterior angle is exterior angle of a triangle is sum of interior opposite angles. What is the definition? Sum of interior opposite angles equals to exterior angle. Why? Because here 1 equals to 2. We have proved no. So that is exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. Definition of exterior angle of a triangle is exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of its interior opposite angles. So here in this first one example, ACD is the exterior angle for this angle, except this angle is sum of these two angles. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. What about this 3? For considering the exterior angle, these two angles are adjacent angles and they form a linear pair. Linear pair means this is straight angle, this is straight line. Straight line means sum of these two angles equals to 180 degree. Linear pair means sum of adjacent angles is supplementary, that is 180 degree. So exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles 1 plus 2. Here ACD is the exterior angle and angles 1 and 2 are interior opposite angles. Next in this triangle ABD. ABD is the exterior angle. So here this is the exterior angle. These two are interior opposite angles. No. 2 is the adjacent angle to the exterior angle. What about 1 and 3? 1 and 3 are interior opposite angles. So ABD equals to 1 plus 3. So next for this triangle, this is exterior. I have taken it point A. BAD is the exterior angle. For this is adjacent angle. Leave this adjacent angle. Sum of these two angles equals to exterior angle. It's very simple. Don't get complicated. Okay. Let's go to the exercise 6.2. First question. There are 6 questions are there. I will explain only 3 questions. Next remaining 3 questions are the homework one. Just check yourself. So first one, find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following figures. That is not angles. So here x is the exterior angle. So what is the exterior angle? Exterior angle is the sum of interior opposite angles. For this figure, this is adjacent angle. Leave this adjacent angle. Remaining angles are there. Just add it. Look at the exterior angles. So here x equals to. So first one. X equals to 50 degree plus 70 degree. So why? You should write the reason every time. Why? Because exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. You should write the reason every time. So x value 50 plus 70, 120. So x value is 120. Exterior angle value is 120. So next the second one. So here x is the exterior angle. They already given. X is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. So just add it. Why? X equals to 45 degree plus 65 degree. Why? Write the reason. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So add it 45 and 65, 110 degree. So x value 110 degree. So next third one. Again see here x is exterior angle. Then the sum of these two angles equals to x. So x equals to 30 plus 40. Why? Exterior angle property. So x value equals to 70. It's very simple. Just addition of sum of addition of interior opposite angles. That is equals to exterior angles. Next to you sum just write yourself. Next second question. Find the value of unknown interior angle. Interior angle x in the following diagrams. So how to find out the value of x? So here these two are interior opposite angles for exterior angle. That means 115 equals to x plus 50. Why? Exterior angle property. So first one x plus 50 degree equals to 115. Fine. You should write the reason. What is that? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property, no, that one. Exterior angle property. So now shift this 50 to right side. Sign will be changed now. So x equals to 115 minus 50. So what will get answer? Final answer. X value 150 minus 115 minus 50, 65 degree. So x value is 65 degree. So this is first one. Here also 6 problems are there. I will explain only 3 problems. Remaining 3 are homework. So next second one. See here 100 degrees x is angle for this equals to 70 plus x. No? So I will second one x plus 70 degree equals to 100. So this is 100 degree. Fine. Write down again exterior angle property. Write down completely this one. So x value equals to 100 minus 70. What will be the answer? 30 degree. So x value is 30 degree for second figure. So next for third figure 125 degree equals to x plus here symbol they given. Which symbol is this one? Right angle symbol. Right angle means angle is at right angle. Right angle is 90 degree. No? So x plus 90 degree because this is the right angle triangle and the symbol they given equals to 125. So reason exterior angle property. So now solve this one. X equals to 125 minus 90 degree. What will get answer? 35 degree. So x equals to 35 degree. Understand? No? Exercise 6.2. Remaining next 3 questions are there. No? Just write